Morning, sir. So I welcome you after a summer break. Right, students. So in the previous class, we have done with the linear inequations. Right. So today we'll be starting with another very important chapter, that is relation and function. Right, student. Relation and function. A topic which is very, very important in our day-to-day life. I'll start with a basic example of this. Students, have you observed the number plate of the cars or the vehicles? देखिए जो नंबर प्लेट्स होती है और नंबर, generally we are in Punjab, so what is the number of the cars? It start with PB. Yes. After this what is there? इसके बाद क्या होता है बच्चे? Yes, tell me. यहाँ पे नंबर होता है, let's say 01. Is this clear? Is it clear or not? It goes like this. This part is constant, this part is. Similarly, if you go in any other state, let's say you go in Delhi, it is DL. Similar 01, 02, 03, and so on. Similarly, other state, let's say Haryana, HR 01, 02, 03. Right? Now, if you see carefully, the first part represents when we see the number of any vehicle, we understand कि कौन से स्टेट से आ रही है. कहाँ से पता चलता है बच्चों? फर्स्ट टू डिजिट से, फर्स्ट टू लेटर्स जो है हमारे पास. देन व्हाट डज दिस लेटर सिग्निफाई? ये जो नंबर हैं दो, व्हाट डज दिस टेल्स अस? यहाँ से क्या पता चलता है बच्चों? यस, टेल मी. यहाँ से आपको सिटी या डिस्ट्रिक्ट पता चलती है. राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे 02, this represent which district? This is Amritsar. This is, I think, Batinda. I don't know. Let's say. So now, if we see, we have one set. यहाँ पे set A है. It represents the states of India. Let's say here is Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, right? Chandigarh, right? These represent the states. Here are the districts. Districts of each state. Is this clear? So now, when you are taking the numbers, यहाँ पे हमारे पास नंबर है बच्चे 01, 02, 03 and so on. These numbers represent the district of that particular state, right? So if you see, right students, so every district has some coding. इसके बाद भी कुछ एक डिजिट आता है, इसके बाद भी एक लेटर आता है बच्चे, या नंबर आता है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सिटी, जिस सिटी में आप हो. नाउ व्हाट डज दिस सेल्स? ये देखिए बच्चे, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे पेयरिंग हो रही है हमारे पास. क्या पेयरिंग बन गई बच्चे? PB 01, PB 02, राइट? तो दिस इज नोन एज, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज नोन एज ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. यहाँ पे पेयर बन गया ना बच्चे. द फर्स्ट टू लेटर्स टेल्स अस द स्टेट, second two digit tells us the district, right? This is for the numbers in Punjab. If you say another state, let's say Chandigarh, we have 01, 02, 03, 04, right? So this will be one ordered pair. CH02 will be another ordered pair. Now this thing is known as, we have two sets. We are forming its ordered pair. right? We are forming the ordered pair from these two sets. Is this clear, students? And ये जो आपने ordered pair बनाए, the first letters come from the first set, the set A. Second letter comes from the set B. This is known as Cartesian product of two sets. This is the ordered pair. The set of the ordered pair is known as Cartesian product of two sets. Let's say I have a set A. It is A, B, C. I have a set B. This contains 1, 2. If I have to make the ordered pair, right, or the Cartesian products of these two sets, it can be represented in the form of ordered pair. A with 1, A with 2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Is it clear? This is known as the Cartesian product. Now, if you reverse it, if you take set B into A, what will be B into A? Now, first will be the number, then the alphabet. Is this clear, students? So now, what you see that B into A is not the same as A into B. अगर आप अपनी गाड़ी का नंबर हमारे यहाँ ऐसे लिखेंगे क्या 01 PB, this will make a totally different thing, na? So we have changed everything. Are you getting, students, or not? So these are the ordered pairs, and the set of all the ordered pair is known as Cartesian product. समझ में आया बच्चों ये चीज या नहीं आई? Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Now we have questions on this. Let's say we have two ordered pair. One is x plus 1 and second is y plus 2. This is equal to 2, 3. The question is find the value of x and y. Then you have to find the value of x and y. When two ordered pair are equal, equate their first element and second element with the corresponding one. What will be the value of x? 1. And what is the value of y? Right? So we can find out the value of x and y by the equality rule. Is it clear? Any doubt, बच्चों? Any doubt? Am I reaching you? बच्चे मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप सबको? If yes, please raise your hand. Okay. Right, students? Now, whatever the operations we have learned in the sets, we'll apply that operations also here. For example, I have a set A, B, C. I have set B, C, D. And I have set C, 1, right? If I have to find out the Cartesian product of A union B with C, what will be the Cartesian product? First of all, find this. How you can write this as? What will be the union of A and B? Please tell me, student, what is the union of A and B? What is the union of A and B? Please अपना mic on करके बताइए. हाँ जी. Union of A and B set. इन दोनों का यूनियन क्या होगा बच्चों? A B C D हो जाएगा. And take its Cartesian product with 1, 2. What will be the Cartesian product of A union B with C? It will be A1 A1 A2 B1 B2 B1 C2 and D1 D2. Right? Is this clear, bachcho? Just a moment, students. Just a moment. Students. So now this set has how many elements? 4 elements. Second set has 2 elements. What will be the total number of elements in their Cartesian product? The product of these 2 elements. Total elements are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of element in the Cartesian product is the product of the number of elements. Suppose I have to find the Cartesian product of B and C. If I have to find number of elements in Cartesian product of B and C, what it will be? Number of element in B multiplied by number of element in C. How many elements are there in B? So total number of elements in the Cartesian product of B and C will be 6. Is it clear, बच्चों? Is this clear or not? इसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी बेटा आगे जब हम रिलेशन करेंगे. So you should know this. Any doubt in this? Right. Now let's say you have 2 sets A's, B's 2, 4 and C is D is. If you have to find the Cartesian product of A intersection B into C intersection D, please find out this. Cartesian product of A intersection B into C intersection D. And students done? And students, टू बी एंड 4B. यस. देखिए बच्चे इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन क्या आ रहा है हमारे पास 2, 4 एंड हेयर B. So this will be 2 comma B, 4 comma B. Is it clear? Is this clear? So this is all about Cartesian product. So आपकी जो NCERT की first exercise है बच्चे, you can do with this concept. Now we'll move to the relation part. Relation. Now what is meaning of relation? क्या मतलब होता है बच्चों relation का? Now when we say in our common language, relation means, yes, relation means what is the relation between two persons? Let's say father and son, that is a relation. Okay, husband and wife, no talking बच्चे please. Husband and wife, there is a relation. Okay, so now similarly in the mathematics, two sets may have a relation, right, defined by some definition, right? Suppose we have two sets, let's say A. I have two sets A and B. Let's say these are the elements. Let's say set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This is the two sets. Now when I say they have some relation, now how we define the relation? As we have done in the case of sets, we have two forms of writing the set. What are those two forms बच्चों? कौन कौन सी फॉर्म्स होती थी? हाँ जी, एक तो होती थी, बोलो बताइए जरा जल्दी से बच्चे, आवाज नहीं, एक बच्चा बोले खड़ा होके, कोई भी, एनीवन प्लीज बताइए जरा कौन कौन सी फॉर्म होती थी? अब यस स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज टेल मी. हाँ जी बेटा, एक रोस्टर फॉर्म होती थी, एक सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म होती थी. Similarly, a relation can also be written as in the set builder form as well as the roster form, right? Okay, first of all, I'll tell you how to write in the roster form. See, देखिए कुछ टर्म होती है यहाँ पे लिखने वाली, ऐसे होता है, relation is represented by R, capital R. Don't get confused with R. R means real numbers. तो उसमें और इसमें confusion नहीं होना चाहिए बच्चे. Relation is represented by capital R and it is written as colon A to B. What is the meaning of this? Relation from set A to set B, or it is also written as A is related to B, where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. These are the different notations how we write a relation. तो confusion नहीं होना चाहिए बच्चे. The meaning of this is relation R from set A to B. Is this clear? A is related to B, where A belongs to the set A and B belongs to set B. Is it clear? Is this clear or not, bachcho? Now, how this is written in the set builder form? Relation R, curly bracket start, parenthesis, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे आप A comma B. Right, students? A comma B. Then colon. A is related to set A, B is related to set B, and whatever is relation, let's say the relation is B is equal to A plus 1. This is the relation. This is the defining relation. Is it clear बच्चों? Any doubt? इसको नोट करो जरा, फिर मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ इसको बच्चे. Please note down this. Then only you will learn how to write the relation. Relation R is equal to curly bracket, then parenthesis A comma B, where this first element come from the first set. ये वाला set जो है, A set जो है, first set. Second elements come from the second set. इसकी definition हमने यहाँ पे represent की है. A belongs to set A, B belongs to set B, right? So first of all, you have written AB, then you have defined AB. Then what is the relation? You have to write like this. It can be anything, right? Relation, I have just given a definition here, B is equal to A plus 1. Now, if you go by this definition, what will be the relation then? Relation, मैं यहाँ पे ना बच्चे एक, there is another way of representing the relation in the form of mapping. तो यहाँ से आपको और क्लैरिटी होगी. देखिए जरा, मैपिंग क्या होती है? We draw two ovals here. This represents set A, this represents set B, and we put arrow between them. What are the elements of set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this clear? Please understand carefully the mapping part. Now what he says, B is equal to A plus 1. Put the value of A as 1. When you put A as 1, what is the value of B? When you put A as 1, what will be the value of B? 2. So means 1 is related to 2. Similarly, 2 is related to 3. 3 is related to 4. 4 is related to... Have you understood this? Have you understood or not? Front bench girls, no talking please. Just मैम के पीछे बैठी हैं girls. No talking बच्चे. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now, in the roster form, how will you write it? Set A 1, 2, 2, 3. You have to write in the form of ordered pair. This will be the set. Have you understood, bachcho? This is the relation in the form of roster form. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, बच्चों? अगर यहां तक क्लियर हो गया तो हम आगे चलें. Now I am again writing the sets A. What was the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is set B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this clear, bachcho? Is it clear? Now we'll understand three terms. First one is called domain. Now what is the meaning of domain? Can anybody tell me the dictionary meaning of domain? कोई बताएगा बच्चे डोमेन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? आपने बड़ा लोगों को सुना होगा, दिस इज नॉट इन माय डोमेन. मींस डोमेन का मीनिंग क्या होता है कि विच कम्स अंडर द somebody's इफेक्टिव एरिया. बट जब हम मैथ्स की लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं डोमेन की, सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डोमेन हियर? आपको मैं बड़ी सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बताता हूँ. दिस इज कॉल्ड इनपुट. कंप्यूटर पढ़ते हैं ना आप सब लोग, या आपने पढ़ा होगा. तो व्हाट इज द इनपुट? इनपुट इज डोमेन. इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर? एग्जांपल देता हूं. अभी देखिए पिछली स्लाइड पे चलते हैं. यहाँ पे हमने बच्चे ए की वैल्यू पुट की. यस और नो? तो वी हैव पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड वी हैव गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ बी. So here A is input and B is output. Yes or no? Yes or no? There are two terms. One is called the independent and dependent. Independent is your domain. Dependent is output. Right? यही हुआ ना मीनिंग. बच्चों देखिए जरा, यहाँ पे आपने इक्वेशन थी आपके पास b इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 1, आपने a की वैल्यू पुट की. डज a डिपेंड ऑन एनीथिंग? ये तो किसी चीज पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा है ना बच्चे. यस और नो? So you have put the value of a, so means that is input. It does not depend, it's a independent variable. You have put the value of a as 1, the value of b you got, so means the value of b depends on a, right? जो b की वैल्यू आ जाती है उसको हम बोलते हैं range, right? And it is a output. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Third term comes out the codomain. What is codomain? ये होती है बच्चे आपकी सेट बी. कोडोमेन इज सेट टी. ठीक है. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट विल बी द डोमेन इन दिस क्वेश्चन एंड व्हाट वी से. द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डोमेन इज all the elements of set A, ध्यान से सुनना वर्ड बाय वर्ड, all the elements of set A which has an image in set B, all element of set A which has a domain in set which has image in set B. अब if you look at this mapping part, please look at the mapping, students. Now here the elements of A which has an image in set B, which are those elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All elements have image in set B. So what will be the domain of this question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be domain. What will be range? Those element of set B which has an image in set, which has pre-image in set A. What will be the range? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, listen the definition. The range of a relation is those element in set B which has a pre-image in set A. Here, in this case, the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 have the pre-image in set A. Therefore, the range will be, domain in this case will be, domain will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And range will be, what will be range? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? What will be codomain? Codomain will be, please tell me, student, what is codomain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The entire set B. Please note down these things. Very, very important, students. हाँ जी बच्चों, हो गया, क्लियर है ये. नाउ I am drawing a mapping. Now please tell me what is the domain of this relation. What is the domain of this relation? Yes, Please raise your hand and tell me. Anyone? Anji students, anyone please tell me. What is the definition of domain? Those element of set A which has an image in set P. Now, since the element D does not have an image in set B, so therefore domain will be A, B, C. What will be range? The range is all the elements have pre-image. Yes or no? All elements will be range. And codomain, again set P. Right? Is this clear? Now please note down another word. Range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. Please note down. MCQ आ जाता है कई बार. ठीक है जी. Range is always a subset of codomain. Any doubt बच्चों? Any doubt? चलिए, we'll do one question. Now I am writing a relation, right? You have to find its roster form. XY, X belongs to A, Y belongs to B, और इसकी definition क्या है? Difference of X and Y is even. Please do this question, बच्चों. Difference of X and Y is even. Please try this question. Yes, students, done. हाँ जी बच्चों, हो गए? Yes, tell me what is the relation. हाँ जी बेटा, ये फ्रंट बेंच पे जो गर्ल्स बैठे हैं, प्लीज टेल मी. ये सर के जो पीछे एकदम बैठे हैं गर्ल्स, दोनों खड़े हो जाएं. हाँ जी बेटा, हैव यू डन दिस क्वेश्चन? आ जाओ, माइक के पास आके बोलो जरा. Please come to the mic. Am I audible? प्लीज कम टू द माइक बच्चे. नोटबुक लेके आना अपनी. इफ यू हैव डन. क्यों नहीं हुआ बच्चे? क्या प्रॉब्लम आई है? हाँ जी, आज जरा कैमरे से बाहर मत जाइए. हाँ जी, व्हाई यू हैव नॉट डन? आपको क्लियर नहीं हुआ बेटा क्वेश्चन? बेटा देखो ऐसे तो काम नहीं चलेगा ना. आप बताइए कि प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है. इफ यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड देन टेल मी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन वंस अगेन. इफ यू अंडरस्टूड देन यू शुड डू. हाँ जी, एनीवन हु हैज डन इट प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. एनीवन हु हैज डन इट, सिट डाउन. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे ना आप दोनों की मैपिंग बना लीजिए बेटा. The another name of this mapping is arrow diagram. This is also known as arrow diagram बच्चों. 1 2 3 4 5 4 6 9. Is this clear? Is it clear बच्चे? Now when you take 1 and 4, what is the difference? What is the difference of 1 and 4? 3. Is it even? Is it even? No. So 1 is not related to 4. 1 comma 6. Difference is even? Difference is even or not? So what is? Then it is also not related. 1 and 9. Difference is? Difference is 8. So they are related. So what will be the first element? समझ में आया बच्चों या नहीं आया?
Yes, yes.
Can you do the rest of the question?
Yes, yes.
Please do it. हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स डन. हाँ जी, 2 के साथ कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स रिलेटेड है? 2,6, 2,9. नो, वेरी गुड. व्हाट इज 3? 3 के साथ कौन कौन से रिलेटेड है? 3 के साथ ओनली 9. देन 4 के साथ बच्चों 4 and 6 both. And 5 के साथ only 9. Any doubt in this? Any doubt बच्चों? Everything is clear in this question?
Yes.
Shall we move to the next one? You're right. We move on to the next question. R is equal to A comma B. AB both belongs to N. What is the meaning of N? Natural numbers, right? And A is less than 5. B is equal to 4. Define this relation and draw the mappings. AB belongs to N. A is less than 5 and B is equal to 4. Draw the mapping. Done, bachon? Yes, tell me what is the relation?
1 and 4, 2 and 2, 4 and 3,
1 and 4 ये आ जाएंगे बच्चे, 3, 4 and
4 and
now what is its domain? What will be the domain? 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the range?
4.
4, right? So domain will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and range will be 4, right? So this is the domain and range. Any doubt in this? चलिए एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं जी. Relation R is A comma B, right? A belongs to Z and A minus right? This is the relation. Right? This is the relation, बच्चे. Find its domain and range. A belongs to Z and mod of A is less than equal to 3. Mod of A is less than equal to 3. I have explained you this thing. जब हमने linear inequalities की थी ना, I have explained how to express this. Do you remember? Do you people remember it? देखिए बच्चे, आपको मैंने एक चीज बताई थी. If A mod of A is less than B, so what is the meaning of this? A less than B, but greater than minus B. Apply this property. Have you understood? Yes or no? So now can you do it? You have got the definition of A. बच्चे एक ही definition आ गई ना आपके पास यहाँ से. So now you can do it. हाँ जी बच्चों, हो गया? Yes or no? Anyone has done? Any student has done? Please raise your hand. देखिए बच्चे, यहाँ से जब आपने इसको डिफाइन किया तो ये क्या आ गया बेटा? A will lie between -3 and 3, तो हमारे पास एक ही वैल्यूज आ गई, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, ये आ गई जी. Yes or no? So now put in this equation -3 -1. What it will be? When you put the value of A as -3, what is the value of B? Tell me बच्चों. -3 पुट कर रहे हो तो वैल्यू क्या आ रही है B की? अरे प्लस माइनस करना है. -3 -1 -4 मॉड लिया तो 4 हो गया. Right or not? Can you do it now? Why you are not telling me anything whether you can do it or not? बच्चे अगर आपको नहीं क्लियर हो रहा प्लीज आस्क द क्वेश्चंस. यहाँ पे तो आपको सिर्फ प्लस माइनस करना है ना. नथिंग यू एल्स यू आर सपोज टू डू. व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू फॉर -2? टेल मी. -2 कॉमा 3, -2 -1 -3 मॉड लिया 3. व्हाट इज द -1? 0, 0 पे 1. Yes or no? When it is 1, 1, 0, 2, 1 and 3. Is it clear? Is this clear or not?
Yes.
What will be the domain? All these numbers. What is range? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right or not? Yes or no, बच्चों?
Yes.
Come to the next question. Relation R x comma x cube. X comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10. Right, बच्चों? Write R in roster form. Do this, बच्चों. X comma x cube, where x is a prime number less than 10. हाँ जी, done students? First of all, make a list of the prime numbers less than 10. Which are the prime numbers less than 10?
2, 3, 5,
2, 3, 5, 7. What will be the domain? What will be the range of for 2? When it is 2, 2 comma 2 comma बच्चों 8, 3 comma 27, 4 comma 4 तो है नहीं 5, 5 comma and 7 comma. 3 4 3, right बच्चों? So this is the question. Any doubt in this? Okay, so we do one more question. बच्चे इसमें कोई डाउट आप लोगों को? एनी डाउट? एनी डाउट स्टूडेंट्स? चलिए मैं आपको एक चीज और बता देता हूँ. नंबर ऑफ रिलेशंस, very important. Number of relations from A to B. If you have to find how many relations can be there, right? Let's say we have to find the number of relation from A to B. Now, how many elements are there in the Cartesian product of A and B? How many elements are there in the Cartesian product of A and B? Yes, students, tell me. बताया था मैंने इसका. Na into Nb. Let's say number of elements in A is M and number of elements in B is N. So number of relation then will be number of relations will be equal to 2 raised to power product of M and N. Very, very important. Please note down this. The number of relation will be 2 raised to power Mn. Is this clear, bachcho? Any doubt? Any doubt? Right. Let's say अभी आपने क्वेश्चन किया था बच्चे. You have done the question of x comma x cube. X comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10. How many relations can be there for this? Please tell me how many relations. हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स. बेटा ए सेट में सेट जो ए सेट है उसमें एलिमेंट्स कितने आ रहे हैं आपके पास? 4. बी सेट में कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं? 4. राइट. So how many relation will be there? 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 4 into 4, that is right. Simply अगर आपको कोई sets given है then it is easy, just take the product of the number of elements of both the sets and 2 raised to power that number. Is it clear? Is this clear or not? Yes. Whatever we have done, anything which is not clear to you, have you understood the meaning of domain, codomain and range? Yes or no? Yes. Right. What is the meaning of domain? Who will tell me? What is the meaning of domain? Anyone? Input तो हो गया ना बेटा, वो तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पस से था. If you have to define, what is the exact definition? हाँ जी. ये सबसे लास्ट बेंच पे जो बैठे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, सेंटर लाइन में, ये बिल्कुल छुप के बैठा हुआ है बच्चा पीछे, सरदार जी के साथ वाला जो है। हो जाओ, हाँ जी आप खड़े हो जाओ बेटा, हाँ हाँ प्लीज, आपको ही बोल रहा हूँ, तो पीछे बिल्कुल कवर होके बैठा हुआ है एकदम से। आ जाओ माइक के पास, आ जाओ जरा, प्लीज कम। हाँ जी बेटा, व्हाट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड, आज दी क्लास से की समझ आया ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ? आवाज नहीं आ रही बच्चे आपकी, कुछ तो बोलो, यस नो। हाँ जी, कुछ समझ आया आपको या नहीं आया बेटा आज? डोमेन की डेफिनेशन बताओ जरा। इनपुट, वो बोल दिया साथ वाले बच्चे ने, उससे आगे कुछ उसको भी नहीं आता था, आपको भी नहीं आता है ना। प्लीज सिट डाउन। हु विल टेल मी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डोमेन? Domain, range and codomain. All the elements of set A, those have image in set B, are known as domain. Element of set A, जिनकी set B में image है. Range, element of set B which has a pre-image in set A is range. Codomain, entire set B is codomain. Right बच्चों? Anything not clear? चलिए, in today's class we'll wind up here only. Next class we'll understand the function, and then we'll understand the finding domain and range of the function. Thank you very much, students. Thanks a lot, sir, for your support.